Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Gemini AI. Gemini is a powerful artificial intelligence model developed by Google that can understand and generate content across multiple modalities, including text, images, videos, and audio. It is capable of engaging in complex tasks like math, physics, and coding, and can provide human-like responses to a wide range of queries. Gemini is currently available through the Gemini chatbot and will gradually be integrated into other Google services. The model is described as being able to generalize and operate across different types of information seamlessly. To start using it, follow along. First, open any preferred browser and search for google.gemini.com. This will take you to the official Gemini website. Simply sign into your account or create a new one to continue along. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean interface where you can start interacting with the Gemini AI. You can ask it any queries or questions you have. For example, you can ask it to summarize a long article, explain a complex topic, or even help with writing tasks like emails or essays. Another cool feature is the ability to upload images. If you just upload an image and then ask it to describe what it is, you can see that it described the image pretty accurately. This can be really helpful for getting quick insights about visual content. The AI is trained on a vast amount of data, so it can engage in all kinds of conversations and tasks. Feel free to experiment with different types of questions and prompts to see what Gemini can do. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks,